Steak. Steak. Nailed it. You can see how dangerous these things are, especially it exploded when it landed. And I have a tripod sitting right here where this back camera was, and it shot logs all the way out here in the road. Got it down though. So you can see why these things are, this tree in particular was so dangerous, because the top of the tree was just nothing but very, very dry, brittle wood. So right here is probably a little over 40 foot from the base, and when it hit, it just split wide open. Once the sycamore dies, it just becomes extremely brittle. It dries out quickly. And I meant to cut this tree last fall, and I just never got around to it. And actually, it busted down here too. This tree was actually extremely dangerous. And I should have done it sooner, but I'm glad I did it when I did, because it would become an extreme hazard. I don't think it would have hit the house. The distance to the house, I think, was probably close to the top of the tree. But still yet, it's become a dangerous tree. It needed to be taken down. So this probably is close to 15 foot where this break is here down. And if you look at the core of the tree and the stump, only this small amount that's a little bit darker was all that was still retaining a little bit of moisture that it hadn't dried out yet. The rest of this is all sapwood that has already dried out, so it didn't have very much integrity left at all. And if you look at the log, you can see the wet ring that had a little bit of strength left to it, but the outside was just rotten. And I'd be willing to bet if I cut up this log a little ways, this doesn't go very far up the log at all. I appreciate you guys watching. If you don't mind, if you want to leave a comment, you can. Thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot for watching.